Hey y'all, it's me Amani, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Boho Liquid Gold. So first things first, this is not sponsored. I paid my little money. Per usual, it came pretty fast. It came in like less than a week. So you know I had to get me some Boho, and I re-upped on my Boho Active. I love the Boho Active. I have a video for it that I reviewed. I'll have it in the description as well. Let's get right into it. I chose to use the liquid gold instead of got to be glue when it came to doing my wig cap. Put the cap on and I kind of like it for the most part. Compared to using got to be glue, it was way faster, and I'm sure that it'll be a lot easier to remove because you can just remove this with water. So I'm really excited about that. So with the liquid gold, I can tell I'm going to be using a lot more product because it's runnier. But look at how much of it I already used just to do this part. It's lifted a little bit, so I think I'm going to do like a little layer to melt it a little bit. So it's really fast, easy, and seamless to lay that line down. I'm about to now hit it with the cold air on the blow dryer. All right, so it ain't even been a full 2 minutes. Girl, what the fuck is you doing? Why is my camera playing? It ain't even been a full 2 minutes and it is dry. As you can see, it's like shiny, but it's not tacky. I hope y'all don't mind that I keep zooming y'all in. I know y'all want to get a front row seat. I'm scared. All right, look, work diligently, bitch. I got a few clips of me trying to install it. Beware, this is my first time. Oh shit, okay. Let's be careful. I can't do it. I can't take it. I gotta use my mirror, girl. Oh shit, she's sliding back. Hold on now, hold on now. Make sure no edges under the wig. Y'all be more prepared than me. Alright, I'm finna go blow dry it. It's a lot going on. I wonder if it's going to lift up when I start doing my edges, because I definitely need to do my edges. Alright y'all, so now it's time for the final reveal. I'm gonna take this off. I wet the hair, so I was trying to, you know, make sure I don't get it on the lace because I don't want it to lift up and come off. So it's really melted. When I first did it, I felt like it was looking kind of white, but now I definitely feel like it looks way better. So I do my edges with mousse, alcohol free. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but like I put a good amount. I don't just like do a little bit and just like, no, I kind of drench it in mousse and do it, and it did not lift at all. It did not like start to shift, come up, or anything like that. So that's really good that you can put another liquid on there, you know what I'm saying? Because like I was scared that it says it comes off with water. I was scared if I put anything wet it's gonna just come off, but that's not the case. Oh, it is a little white, but I think that's excess product. So this is the first day close up. As you can see, like right here, I can't tell if it's just acting weird or if I put it too far down, and I'm kind of scared to go in and try to like fine tune it with water because I don't want it to lift. A good little piece right there, I kind of just like crunched it off. I kind of just did like this and just kind of got it off. So I know when you really get in there and kind of play with it, it'll look fine. I'm scared to like really pull it, but it has a good hold on there so far. So as far as an initial review for the liquid gold, good formula. I really like it. It was very easy to do my wig cap with it as well. You don't have to do your wig cap with it, but I chose to. It was a very fast process. The layage is good. Like I could see doing this for like a wig that you don't really want to wear all week, you know what I'm saying? But I have to see the longevity of it. So I will be giving y'all little updates. It dries. It kind of does feel hard, but it's nothing that I'm just like, oh my god, like, oh my gosh, like no. It kind of feels like I put it on with got to be spray. See how much I used off of one install. I would get this one just to test it out, and if you like it then get the bigger one. All right y'all, so it's day 2. If you can't tell by me looking totally different, you know, nails is popping now. This is my update for the liquid gold. So I did notice that last night when I wrapped my hair and tried to go to sleep, it felt kind of like it was cracking the more I like moved my head, but I think that's because it kind of dries hard. I wouldn't say crunchy because crunchy sounds bad, but like I can definitely, you know what I'm saying, like I can feel it. But it's not a bad thing. It doesn't look bad. So yeah, like I just think that this is a pretty good product. I would recommend it so far if you want something that's kind of like short wear or just really easy and simple to do. So I think it's safe to say that I will be getting the big 8-ounce bottle of the liquid gold because I love it. Like, ooh, I love Boho products though. Like the products are always pretty good in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. Let me know any video suggestions that you might have down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you later.